Hey everyone, today it's Christmas Eve, so now I'm going to be making some holiday cookies. I'd like you guys to join me here in a bit as I do this regime. You're only seeing me, you're only... Okay, stop. Okay, next we're gonna get for our ingredients. We're gonna start off with 3 3/4 quarter cups of sifted flour. I'm gonna put our sifter here too and get it all together. Okay, right here, I moved all my dry ingredients into a separate bowl, and using my electric mixer, I'm going to combine all wet ingredients. So right now I've got 1 cup of butter softened. I'm going to get it into the bowl right here. It's kind of hard on there, so just wait. Okay, there's the 1 cup. Okay, now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder for our mix. Put that in there. And now 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
What are you cooking there?
Oh, I'm just cooking some holiday cookies. What's up, Brenda?
Oh, I don't want cookies. What's up? I don't care to say what's up.
Well, you think I care? You got beat in the video, dude. Very brave. Got beat under my foot.
She has a big talk.
Watch me beat you on there. Beat you on OnlyFans.
I've been really hungry and I don't think she has fed me yet. I'm just really hungry. Whoa. She looks really cute today. I wonder how she's gonna make that. Is it sugar cookies? Hi, is it sugar cookies you're making?
Yeah, I'm making sugar cookies.
Those look so good. Oh my god. What's up? I'm hungry. I'm starving here.
You'll have your
She doesn't ever
TV
see
star.
me. I just don't know. I'm waiting for something. I still don't have a shirt. I only got pants.
You will get it. Just sit down.
Oh, she's trying to make the orders. I'm hungry now.
You'll get it, Tease Me Star. You always like pancakes and shit.
I do. When can I get that?
You'll get okay. You will get it all because you're signed by me. So. No.
Yay!
Sit down.
What are you doing out here? I wonder what you're doing out here. Yeah, what? I'm here in the kitchen. I heard that there's food being made.
Oh yeah, holiday cookies.
Yeah, holiday. Are they made now? I'm desperate.
They're almost done. Can you and Tease Me Star sit them down?
I'm just gonna dive in the dough.
No, you gotta wait.
Can you believe her?
Are you brave enough to wait? At least
I can be, I guess.
These boys, though, are a lot to deal with. I'm getting so hungry. I think I'm gonna order pizza.
Wait, man!
Next, we're gonna add 1 1/2 cups of sugar. So that, and then. Okay, there's that. Next, we're gonna add the 2 eggs. Let's hope I don't make this like sloppy. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna blend all the dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. I'm gonna turn this on. And gradually add it in there. Okay, now we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, I brought out some shapes. Here's a sweater. It kind of looks like the sweater I'm using today, interestingly. And a tin can Santa. This is where you can like store your cookies for the next time if you don't eat them, or if you're trying to give them to a friend. Christmas is all about giving, so there we are with that. And in this bowl, I'm going to take all of the cookie dough contents and I will roll it out onto a flat surface. And I will use my shapes after I do this process. Okay, now I'm gonna roll out the dough here, but I used a cup because I couldn't find a roller within reach of me now. But I mean, you guys can improvise. Alright, so. And also some flour on the surface so that way it's easier to roll up. And yeah. Okay, turn that. Just show that for the cookie. I don't. That is director's cuts. You didn't let me say. Okay, 3 cups of powdered sugar sifted. Getting a rise. I'm laughing because I'm a little tired. Okay, now we're gonna get 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk in here. The frosting set up, so if you guys want different colors, you take a separate bowl for each, and here I just got this classic red and green that I put together in there. And I'm mixing it and I'm going to put it on top of the cookies. Okay, our cookies are out and done. You can see right there I said Xmas for Christmas and a little carol right there. And then a bunch of sweaters that look like the sweater I'm using. I'm gonna put all of those cookies into this Christmas tin and I'll feed some of them to my family and friends. I knew Brave Duck and Tease Me Star joined into the crowd and they were that hungry that they just ordered pizza and they couldn't wait on this. Look at the pizza right there now. That's a result of Tease Me Star and Brave Duck. Anyways, you guys, resuming on to that, I'm gonna go ahead and put those cookies in there and then hopefully Brave Duck and Tease Me Star are up for it. Merry Xmas, says it there. Could start looking at, whoa, actually the colors look even better under here. So there it is going in the tin. Ah.